How to fix local security authority protection is off in Windows 11. So in order to fix this issue, let's first go to Windows and type apps. Open the default apps. And under installed apps, let's search for Windows Security. Go to advanced options. And let's reset the app first. And after that, click on repair. Now the next thing why you might be getting this local security authority protection is off might be because of the latest Windows update. So let's go to Windows again and search for Windows Update and open the Windows Update settings and select Update History. And you can see the quality updates that has been downloaded on the PC. You can simply go to uninstall updates and uninstall the latest security update for Microsoft Windows. After uninstalling, restart your computer again and this should help to solve the problem. Now the next solution is to change the registry values. So let's first go to Windows and type registry editor. Expand HK local machine or system. From here, expand current control set. Open up control. Search for RSA. And here you should be able to see a file named run as ppl, just like this secure boot. And double click on the run as ppl and make sure you change the value to 2 and click OK. And after this, right click and select dword32 value and rename the file as run as ppl boot. And also set the value to 2 and click OK and restart your computer. And this should help to solve your problem. So these are some of the tricks and methods that you can use to solve local security authority protection is off in Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment.